never know when may hit. But what is an earthquake?
An earthquake occurs when large blocks move along a fault line.
Earthquakes are also called tremors.
When you're at school and there's an earthquake, you have to go under a table and duck your head.
Earthquake, duck and cover!
When the earthquake is over, you can go out to the field. Just make sure it is safe. No poles nor electric wires are around you or overhead.
It's very important to carry an earthquake kit with you. In a school earthquake kit, there should be a first aid kit, and there should also be water, food, ice packs, gloves, cell phone, radio, flashlight, and money.
In the school earthquake kit, there should also be games in case the class gets bored.
I hope you learned a lot about earthquakes.
And how easy it is
to be prepared!